Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm doing a quick avocado hair mask. Now let's get started with this video. My first ingredient for this hair mask will be obviously avocado, and for today's purpose I will be using 3 full avocado. Now what I'm doing here is just cutting my avocado in small pieces because this avocado is not really ripe, so it's not so soft. So I have to cut in small pieces. Now that I'm done cutting my avocados, I will add some grapeseed oil. If I have to measure, I will say about 2 to 3 or 4 spoons of grapeseed oil. Now I'm gonna blend it all up. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. This is how my quick avocado hair mask looks. It looks so greenish. So now I'm just gonna put it on my daughter's hair. The shrinkage is real. The shrinkage is real. Here are some of the benefits of using this hair mask. Let me know in the comment below if you have tried this hair mask or you are thinking about trying this hair mask. I'm gonna continue to put this all over her hair, but to avoid making long videos, I'm just gonna skip it to until I put all this beautiful quick avocado hair mask all over her hair. So this is how it looks. This is really messy. If you're gonna be using this hair mask, make sure you put a towel around you or something because it's really messy. Now I'm gonna put a plastic cap or a plastic bag over her hair to help open up those pores, so this good ingredient from this quick avocado hair mask can go all the way in, moisturize her hair, and then I will leave it on for about 30 minutes or so. It's been over 30 minutes. Now it's time to move on to our wash day routine, but before I start my wash day routine, I will massage her scalp to help stimulate hair growth. If you enjoyed this video, please consider pressing the like button, and why not subscribe to our channel, and see you on our next video. Bye.